Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest updates on motorcycles, reviews, and everything two-wheelers. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on exciting content. Today, we are diving deep into the brand new 2025 Yamaha YZF-R3, covering its reviews, specs, and features to see if it lives up to expectations. The Yamaha YZF-R3 has been a favorite among entry-level sportbike enthusiasts, offering a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and aggressive styling. The 2025 model takes things to the next level with updated features, improved aerodynamics, and enhanced riding dynamics. Starting with the design, the new YZF-R3 retains its aggressive styling inspired by its bigger siblings like the R7 and R1. The sharper fairings, redesigned LED headlights, and an improved windscreen not only give it a meaner look but also contribute to better aerodynamics, ensuring stability at higher speeds. Under the fairings, the 2025 YZF-R3 continues to be powered by the reliable 321 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. Yamaha has made some refinements to improve throttle response and fuel efficiency while maintaining its peak power output. The engine produces around 42 horsepower and 29.5 Nm of torque, making it one of the best options in the lightweight sportbike segment. The 6-speed transmission remains smooth, with precise shifts that make riding an enjoyable experience, whether in the city or on the highways. Handling has always been a strong suit for the YZF-R3, and the 2025 model enhances this further with a revised suspension setup. It features an updated KYB 37mm inverted front fork, which provides better damping and more feedback to the rider. The rear monoshock is also fine-tuned for improved stability and comfort. Yamaha has managed to strike a balance between sportiness and everyday usability, making the YZF-R3 a solid choice for both beginners and experienced riders looking for a fun and nimble machine. Braking duties are handled by a 298mm front disc and a 220mm rear disc, both equipped with ABS as standard. This setup ensures confident stopping power, especially during emergency braking situations. Yamaha has also introduced a new braking pad compound that provides better bite and fade resistance for improved overall performance. The lightweight chassis, combined with these braking enhancements, allows the rider to maintain control and confidence in various riding conditions. Technology-wise, Yamaha has brought some welcome updates to the 2025 YZF-R3. The fully digital LCD instrument cluster now offers better visibility, displaying essential information such as speed, gear position, fuel level, and a shift indicator. Additionally, the inclusion of smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth is a significant upgrade, allowing riders to receive notifications, check battery status, and track ride data through the Yamaha app. This makes the bike more appealing.